So we have John, Narcissus, and myself, Catherine. Today we're here to have one big, huge announcement for you, and we've got another one coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. In today's video, we're going to go over a quick summary of the AdBank journey to date. John's going to cover that one, and then we'll get to the announcement as quickly as possible, and then we'll go over a couple of key questions.
Awesome. Yeah, so we're excited to bring you kind of the announcement today, and also tomorrow will be an exciting day as well. So great, exciting time right now, but want to kind of walk through the journey to get to this point. So in November 2017 to January 2018 was the ICO. We launched AdBank 1.0, the platform that connected digital advertisers direct to publishers in 2017. Built the AI and the machine learning algorithm, tested and submitted the updated patent all in 2017. Those activities make up what's kind of the core, the base layer, the platform layer for the AdBank ecosystem. Acquired eSig Media, launched Intergalactic Ads to prove out the benefit of that platform. Completed pilots with some of the major thought leaders in the industry, Red Bull, Government of Austria, Adweek, and then nearing the end of 2018, did some realignment through kind of end of 2018, start of 2019 to get focused around bringing the external user into that ecosystem. So bringing you, the browser of the web, to be rewarded finally for seeing digital advertising, and that was the big push around Blade. And then launched Blade, gained decent traction, validated our user acquisition strategy, worked really well. Initial CPM was not where exactly we wanted to be, but it was going in the right direction. Ran into issues with Google and the extension pulling us from the store, and now we're kind of moving past that hurdle and excited for kind of where we're at. In summary, we're not satisfied where we're at, but we're proud of the work that the team has done. Proud to still be in the fight, and lots of projects have delivered and are now on life support. Many projects kept spending on marketing with no sort of recognition of runway, and are now sort of completely out of budget. Many projects are dead, but still getting attention from a trading standpoint. So lots of zombie projects kind of between us and CoinMarketCap. So yeah, again, we aren't satisfied, but we're proud of the work that's been done, and proud of the team and where we're heading to next.
Yeah, definitely. And so the one announcement we wanted to share here in this video is been a long time coming, and you guys kind of knew it was coming, but the permanent solution for Chrome is now live. So the blocker available on Chrome, and the replacer is available on Blade.software. So you can go get the blocker on Chrome, go get the replacer on Blade.software, use them both. This was kind of the solution going forward that we talked about. So now this is the permanent solution. No changes needed after this, and yeah, go get the Chrome extension and start viewing ads.
Alrighty, so now we'll get into the big tough questions for John. Narcissus and I are going to handle these ones. So first up, another question that we're getting is, so you're saying that Blade and the strategy with Chrome was a mistake?
Yeah, so as an understood risk, the terms and conditions that we got sort of pulled it from the Chrome store was Chrome wants a browser extension to serve a single function. We knew that we were combining functions to some extent, but the solution we always thought would be a blocker and a replacer. But even that, Google determined to be the replacer was too much of a multi-function extension than just the blocker. So the blocker's in now, and the replacer needs to be sideloaded. But so was it a mistake? Hindsight, yes, but if we would have gone with the two extension solution and still run into the same problem. So, yeah.
All right, question number 2. So, John, you're saying that AI is dead?
So definitely not. It's built and ready. It's a coiled spring just waiting for the data, and Blade is the path to consuming lots of data. If we can get to 100,000 users, million users, which there's many ad block extensions that work as well as ours, but don't reward you for blocking ads and viewing ads, then we think those are reasonable numbers, and so definitely not dead.
So are you saying that Blade is the only thing that you care about?
So Blade is definitely the priority right now, but it is not the only focus. Nurses is heavily focused on running the ad networks and demonstrating the value of the platform and the ecosystem. The AI is ready and going to be deployed as soon as we get the volume. The key thing about Blade is that it's part of this ecosystem. It wouldn't be possible without AdBank 1.0, without the ad serving technology that delivers ads and records those transactions on the blockchain. And so Blade is just that sort of an app that is built on top of the AdBank ecosystem that we are continuing to work on.
Question number 4. So you're saying that you're running out of money and stopping work altogether?
Yes, I didn't tell you guys. So definitely not. We made moves that were perceived to be potentially unpopular at kind of end of 2018. That have positioned us well for runway goes deep into 2021 and lots of opportunity around Blade and the platforms to significantly change that. So yeah, compared to a lot of, we're unique in that we have the ability to extend our runway as much as we need to with our operations of AdBank and are working towards that. So yeah, definitely not.
So the last question here, so are you saying that you don't care about the ADB token?
Yeah, so I hope our perception about how much we care about it is always underestimated, and that's because of the limits that we have in terms of what we can talk about from a market and exchange standpoint. The focus on the Blade should demonstrate that we absolutely care about the token. It is all, in terms of the org chart, token holders, we care about the most. The focus on Blade shows that we're involving that, we're making moves that will best benefit token holders. The ecosystem, when it gets going, will create some very interesting economics. Even at 10,000 users, $10 CPM, it creates a buying amount of ADB that gets pretty exciting compared to where we're at. So we're looking forward to those true token economics kicking in and people getting to see kind of what we've been talking about and absolutely Blade and the ecosystem that gets built around that is that we think the strongest move for token holders that has been done, and we think the most in terms of the world of blockchain and digital advertising, the most integrated solution that benefits token holders.
Awesome. Well, that's it for today. Go to blade.software and get the new updated Blade for Chrome. It has referral links instead of the referral codes, and stay tuned for our next big announcement tomorrow.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.